The East's energies are about becoming new again, beginning and returning, awakening, new growth, seeing things through fresh eyes, embracing the dawn and springtime. This is the time of early childhood and learning who you are, spontaneity, playfulness, wonder, inquisitiveness. Truth and creativity are all Eastern energies. Question everything with a child's mind and curiosity. This is a magical time when all seems possible. Face the eastern dawn and awake from the sleep of winter. Feel the rising sun illuminate your mind, body, and soul. You are beginning anew, yet you retain the wisdom that you have carried around the wheel of life. The earth is coming alive with new growth and fresh promise. Now is the time to turn outward to greet the day. You have completed the circle of the seasons and been reborn from the darkness of winter, bursting forth with the lively curiosity of the child. In this season of light emerging from the darkness, we are fueled by the Spirit, the part of us that is eternal. This light births creativity and is manifested in art and writing. Through the exercises in the Eastern section, we will peel away the layers of the ego to identify and clarify our soul. We will learn to see with fresh eyes and gain new perspective. We will begin anew and learn to trust our intuitive voices, harness our dreams, and jump outside the constraints of time to manifest our creativity.